Hey guys, welcome back. I am ready to go to the pumpkin patch with the pumpkins. I'm just waiting for my sister. She went to drop off her kids. We are going to go in our own cars and we're going to head off to the pumpkin patch. But the pumpkin patch that we're going to is called Hawes Farm. I am from Northern California and that is around where I live. So, it's awesome. I love that farm. It's so pretty. Like, I can't wait to record so you guys can see. It's just so brilliant. It's so awesome. A lot of people think of us cows, boots, tractors. Literally. And it's kind of true. But I love living in the farm. I love it. I love living out of the nowhere. I do live out of the boogies. So it's kind of scary in a way. But I love it because it's so peaceful. You can party all the time. Loud music, nobody there to call, be like, hey, disturbance, my neighbor, 204. None of that. It's just kind of like quiet and peaceful. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my sister and we're gonna head off, maybe get some Starbucks, and we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. Okay, so maybe I am gonna do a little OTD. So I got this shirt, this one right here, at Torrid. I got it a little bit a size bigger. I think this one's a 2X. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a 1X. I'm not sure, but because the material, it's not like stretchy, but it's comfortable. It has like little buttons right here, like a really cute button design. And my pants, I got them also at Torrid. They're so comfortable. Like, this is why I'm wearing them to Hawes Farm, because they're comfortable as hell. The shoes, don't mind the shoes, are ugly and dirty, and since we're going to be literally in the dirt, I don't mind. I was planning to wear boots, but I don't have boots. I have like dressy boots, like heel boots. They're not even big though, they're like, and I was just like, I don't know if I should wear it or not, but I think I'm not because it's going to get messy. And since it hasn't been raining as much, I'm pretty sure the dirt's going to be dry. And it's okay. So yeah, that was my little OTD of the day. Outfit of the day. Ching, check. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my sister still. She called. She said she'll be right back. Fall decorations. Damn. We have a little happy Halloween decorations. Welcome friends. And a little cute cat here. Missing, I don't know. It has her eyeballs. But yeah. Awesome.
it up or let it down or just put it over there. Whatever you want to do.
Where do you want to shoot it?
Right there? Okay, push the buttons right inside there, hon.
I know.
That's how you feel.
I know. Today's pumpkin patch was successful. I had so much fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy this follow me around pumpkin patch Hawes. Like I said, I am from Northern California, and hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed the whole northern side, because we're from Northern California. We're up in the boogies. So you guys whoa. So no. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
let you go, okay?
I found my pumpkin, guys. I'm
Okay.
so excited.
I love you.